Hello children, good morning. Yesterday we have learnt meanings, right? I hope you all understood the story also. So on the basis of this lesson, you are going to get the question answers today. So let us start with question answers. I am writing both question and answer on the blackboard. So copy them properly by giving finger space. Start your question and answer both with capital letter. Give a finger space. Leave a line after each question answer is over. I repeat, start your question or answer with the capital letter. Give enough space between the words. Write neatly. Use proper strokes. Then leave a line after each question answer is over. Here in your textbook actually they have given 3 types of question answers. 3 sets I can say. Answer in brief, answer in detail. Read these lines from the text and answer. See, now I hope you people may not be having textbook, so I am going to skip this one. Read these lines from the textbook and answer these questions. This part I am going to skip off. Why? Because everybody is not having the textbook, so again everything I have to give on the blackboard. But even then, if time permits, I will try. And here what am I doing is, I am merging the questions here. Merging means mixing. Both answer in brief and answer in detail. Both are small answers only, so that I am mixing them and giving. So today you are going to get only the question answers. So let us start. First question is, where were Dorothy and Scarecrow? Where were Dorothy and Scarecrow? What were they doing? So this is your first question. What is it? Where were Dorothy and Scarecrow? What were they doing? Answer is Dorothy and Scarecrow were by the stream. By the beautiful water spring. Beautiful, clear water spring. Dorothy bathed comma drank and ate a light breakfast there. While the scarecrow looked on thoughtfully. So, where were Dorothy and Scarecrow? What were they doing? Dorothy and Scarecrow were by the beautiful clear water spring. Dorothy bathed, drank, and ate a light breakfast there, while the Scarecrow looked on thoughtfully. This is your answer. So please do write neatly. Now let us go to second question. What according to Scarecrow is a wonderful thing about the human body. So what is our question? What according to Scarecrow is a wonderful thing about the human body? So our answer is according to Scarecrow, according to Scarecrow, see, one thing you observe here. Most of the things you will get from the question itself. Your answer begins from the question. Like this here you see, according to a scarecrow. In place of is, you are not using anything. A wonderful thing about the human body is. All these things are very much present in the question. Our answer starts from here. According to Scarecrow, a wonderful thing about the human body is. So half the answer is hidden in the question itself. A wonderful thing about the human body is a wonderful brain that helps human being human being to think properly. Yes. What, according to Scarecrow, is a wonderful thing about the human body? See, you observe the answer, half the answer is extracted or taken from the question itself. According to Scarecrow, a wonderful thing about the human body is a wonderful brain that helps human being to think properly. So, human body possesses or has a brain which helps the man to think about in a proper way. Third question. What would have happened what would have happened if Dorothy and Scarecrow if Dorothy and Scarecrow hadn't come along? What would have happened if Dorothy and Scarecrow hadn't come along? What would have been happened if they both did not come together to the forest? Answer is, if Dorothy and Scarecrow hadn't come along, they would have not met the Tin Man. So what is your question? What would have happened if Dorothy and Scarecrow hadn't come along? See, here also your answer starts from here. If Dorothy and Scarecrow hadn't come along, they would have not met the Tin Man. This is your answer. Next question, fourth question. Why did Tin Man want to join Dorothy and Scarecrow? Answer. Tin Man wanted to join them because he too wanted to meet OZ and ask him to give him a heart. So, why did Tin Man want to join Dorothy and Scarecrow? Why did the Tin Man want to join Dorothy and Scarecrow? Tin Man wanted to join them because he too wanted to meet Oz and ask him to give him a heart. Okay, this is the question. Yeah, start. Fifth question now. Who was groaning in the forest and why? Tin Man was groaning in the forest? Because because all the joints of his body parts were rested, so he couldn't move. Tin Man, who was groaning in the forest and why? Tin Man was groaning in the forest because all the joints of his body parts were rusted, so he couldn't move. Next answer, last one it is. How did Dorothy help the troubled man? Dorothy oiled all the joints of his body so that he was able to move. How did Dorothy help the troubled man? Dorothy oiled all the joints of his body so that he was able to move. So these 6 question answers are there. You have to learn them, write them properly, neatly in your notebook and learn them. Okay children, thank you. That's it for today.